Respected guides, teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here to celebrate the Republic Day of India on the 26th of January like every year. India became free from the culture of the British in the year 1947, but the Constitution of the India was implemented on the 26th of January 1950. The Constitution of India is the largest in the world. It provides equal opportunity and status to all the Indians without any discrimination. In preparation of the Constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and his team took great trouble. We all salute to them. Their contribution to the nation is unforgettable. We live happily in this free India because of our constitution. No doubt the political gimmicks sometimes make the atmosphere cloudy, but the real Indians clear the clouds. I feel fortunate to be an India. I promise this day to be a true Indian and follow the Constitution of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.